My name is Detective Chance Cloud. My first name is spelled C-H-A-N-C-E. My last name is spelled C-L-O-U-D. I currently work for the St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office in Louisiana.
How long have you been with the St. Tammany Parish?
6 years.
All right, and I know that we don't have parishes here in Georgia, but what is a parish for the state of Louisiana?
The same thing as a county.
All right, wonderful. And how close is St. Tammany Parish to New Orleans?
It's about a 20-minute drive.
Okay, very good. Prior to being with St. Tammany Parish, did you have any other law enforcement experience?
Yes.
And where was that?
I worked with the New Orleans Police Department.
Wonderful. And you're post-certified?
I am.
Very good. I want to jump right into your involvement in this particular case. How is it that you became involved in this case from Cobb County, Georgia?
In August of 2023, I was a narcotics detective assigned to the proactive enforcement unit. I was notified by another deputy that is employed by the sheriff's office, who was a full-time task force officer with the United States Marshal Service. He contacted myself and my team to let us know that he suspected a subject that had an outstanding warrant for his arrest was located in our area.
Okay. And you mentioned the proactive enforcement unit. Is that the assignment you had back then?
Yes.
And as part of your assignment with the proactive enforcement unit, did that include apprehending fugitives?
It did.
So once you were provided this information, was that around August 24th of 2023?
Yes.
Once you were provided that information, were you given a name?
I was.
Do you recall the name?
Yes. Mr. Eugene Louis-Jacques.
Okay. And were you given any vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. What type of vehicle was that?
A white Nissan Altima.
Did you have any additional information, like a tag number or anything that you were able to use for your own investigative purposes?
Yes, we were given a full intelligence packet workup that included the license plate for the vehicle as well as a photograph.
Okay, a photograph of the vehicle?
The vehicle and Mr. Jacques, yes.
Okay, and once you had that information, how did you use that vehicle to further your investigation?
We began conducting queries in our databases through our automatic license plate reader cameras that we have set up throughout my area.
What is the name of that license plate reader?
Flock.
And looking at Flock, with that specific license plate, were you able to find any hits in your area?
I was.
And in fact, looking at States 273, which has already been tendered and admitted in this case, well, I'll just show it like this. This is page 2 of States 273 here. Are these hits that are listed on page 2 in your parish?
Yes.
Okay, and is this area you see Oak Harbor, is that an area you're familiar with?
Yes.
And so how did you use these license plate for your hits in the Oak Harbor area to assist you in locating this individual?
We were very familiar with his pattern of travel through those license plate readers. They were very consistent with hitting certain times of the day, but more particularly in the afternoon. So we elected to set our my team up in that area where we knew he would more likely be at a given time every day.
Okay. And so I know this kind of started for you on August 24th. At what time did you set up this position in the afternoon?
Around 4 o'clock p.m.
Was that the following day?
Yes.
And so do you remember where your personal vehicle, when I say personal, your patrol vehicle was positioned?
Yes.
Okay, where was that?
It was near the intersection of Oak Harbor and Landmark Drive.
Okay, so is that the Oak Harbor we saw on the flock hits?
Yes.
All right. As you were posted there, did you see the suspect vehicle that you were looking for?
I did.
Were you able to personally confirm whether it had the tag you were looking for?
Yes.
What did you do after that?
As soon as the vehicle passed my stationary position, I positioned my own police vehicle behind the Altima, confirmed the license plate we witnessed a independent traffic violation, and based off all the totality of the circumstances thus far, we elected to conduct a traffic stop.
And were you in a marked car at that time?
I was not.
Okay. So did you have the assistance of some of your fellow officers in conducting this stop?
I did.
Did you have direct contact with the driver of this vehicle upon making the stop?
Yes.
And per protocol, how is it once this individual or the driver, was there anyone other than the driver in the vehicle?
There was not.
Okay, just the driver. Upon getting the vehicle pulled over, was the driver detained?
He was.
Did you obtain the name of this driver?
I did.
All right, and what name were you provided?
I was provided the name Mikhail Waters.
Now, did you have a photograph of the individual you were looking for, Eugene Louis-Jacques?
I did.
How did that photograph compare to the individual who identified himself as Mikhail Waters?
They were identical.
What did you do to determine whether that was in fact Mikhail Waters versus Eugene Louis-Jacques?
In order to do my due diligence, I elected to run the name and date of birth, Mikhail Waters, that was provided to me, during which time I learned that that person did not exist.
What about the date of birth that was provided to you?
I noticed that it matched the date of birth for Mr. Eugene.
Were you eventually able to determine that the person you pulled over was in fact Eugene Louis-Jacques?
Yes.
Now, did you provide Miranda warnings to Eugene Louis-Jacques?
I did.
And how is it that you go through Miranda warnings on the side of the road?
They are audio and video recorded using most of the time our body-worn cameras, and then I read them from a card usually.
Okay. So do you have that in your wallet at all times?
Yes.
Okay. And is that how you did it on this occasion as well?
Yes.
And did Mr. Jacques indicate he understood those rights?
He did.
All right. Thereafter, did you ask him some additional questions?
Yes.
And what specifically were you asking him?
I wanted to know his true identity in his own words. I also wanted to know his reasoning for providing a false identity to me initially.
And at the point in time that you read him the Miranda rights, were you able to confirm that he had this active warrant out of Georgia?
Yes.
And so was he going to be taken into custody based upon that active warrant?
Yes.
And is that part of why you read him the Miranda warnings?
Yes.
Were Cobb County detectives personally involved with this traffic stop?
No.
Okay. Were you kind of the lead, so to speak, on this traffic stop?
I was.
Now, you've mentioned that you wear a body-worn camera. Were you wearing it back on August 25th of 2003 during this stop involving the white Nissan and Mr. Eugene Louis-Jacques?
Yes.
Have you and I previously gone over your body-worn camera?
Yes.
And is that a true and accurate recording of the interaction that took place with Mr. Jacques on August 25th of 2023?
Yes.
At this time, the state moves to tender State's Exhibit 378 into evidence, which is the body-worn camera of Detective Cloud.
No further objection to those previously noted for that.
All right, it's admitted. And may I publish portions of this, Your Honor? All right. And for the record, we will start it there in the beginning.
Left hand behind your back. Right hand behind your back. Put your palms together like a broom. Palms together. Palms together. Stay right here for me. Don't move, okay? Stay here for me. 1431, we're code 40, that's the net. We're going to be at Oak Harbor and Landmark. Mikhail Waters? No. No?
10-4. All units, 1064, 1064.
So, is this the reason why I started? One, you didn't use the turn signal until after you made the lane change back there when you were
1431, the tag is going to be Florida tag, Juliet, Tango, Yankee, Romeo, 5-1.
Makes sense. You got to do it before you make the lane change. Okay, no big deal, man. No big deal.
What did you say your name was, sir?
Mikhail Waters?
Mikhail?
Yeah. Do you have it? Do you mind if I search real quick? Okay. Yeah, what? Okay, I'm not concerned about your money, just not anything that may hurt me or somebody else. Look, I'm gonna set your money right here for the time being, okay?
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Not with me right now. I'm heading to the house to go get it.
Where's your house at?
Make sure drive.
Alright.
My knees hurt. Can I go on the grass?
Yeah, as soon as I'm searching you, man, we'll help you out.
Just sort it out, man.
I'm sorry about that.
No. You're good, man. You're good.
Kilo 114,
Something in your pocket anymore? No, sir.
Car 114.
No, it's gone. It's like chewing.
BNAP, one citation.
No.
10-4.
Alright. Stand up, man, and you can come over here.
16 and 24 at 40009 EMS round.
Mikhail,
Yes, sir.
do you have anything with your name on it?
Name on it?
Do you have anything, any form of identification?
Andy Jules is letting you use the car. Okay. Does anybody else drive the car besides you?
This is him.
I'm saying.
What happened?
I'm trying to figure it all out, man. That's all. Just trying to sort it out.
You know your social?
No, sir. Did I do something wrong?
We'll explain it to you in a second. It's his name.
Mikhail and
Mikhail.
Mikhail Allen Waters. What? We don't know. That's what I said. Does anybody else drive that car
Pretty
beside
close.
you?
No, it's my brother.
Get his information, I'll run and pull the picture up.
That's fine. I'm going to send a picture to Marshall.
Alright.
Well, the problem is right now, you don't have any form of ID, right? Nothing with a name and a picture. So we're taking your word for who you are.
I'm in handcuffs. I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, that's what we're trying to sort out. You understand?
How do you spell your first name, man?
MYKAEL
M-Y-K-A-E-L.
WATERS.
Waters is your last name?
That's it.
What's your date of birth?
04/08/2002.
Okay. Spell your first name for me.
MYKAEL.
Okay. Do you know the last four of your social?
No, sir.
Okay. Where's your driver's license out of? Which state?
Florida.
Florida?
Do you know the number for it? The driver's license number?
How old are you, man?
21.
21? Alright.
Where were you born at?
So we'll pause it there at 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Now, at this point in time, we've seen you wrote down the name and date of birth. Did you run that through your system?
Yes.
Okay. And does the name Michael Waters come up as a human?
No.
And then the date of birth that he provided that you also wrote down, how did that coincide with Eugene Louis-Jacques' actual date of birth?
They were identical.
So for the next few minutes, is that what you're doing in your car?
Yes.
So we will skip ahead here. So we will resume this video at 9 minutes and 10 seconds.
You lie about my name, man. You know that's illegal. Have you been read your Miranda rights yet? Okay, I'm going to read them to you real quick, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney prior to and before any questioning. If you're not afford to hire an attorney and want to be appointed to represent you, you can choose at any time not to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand those rights?
Can you make a phone call?
Sure. As long as you keep being cool, man, I'll do what I can to accommodate you. Why did you lie about your name? There's a reason. Tell me the truth.
Tried to avoid getting caught.
Getting caught for what?
I was trying to get out of the situation, making that wrong turn.
What are you trying to avoid getting caught for?
He knows he's got a warrant out of Georgia already.
Oh, he does.
I didn't know I had a warrant. I was trying to avoid getting in trouble for making that illegal turn. He said I was making a legal turn as I was turning to the lane.
Why would you give a fake name to avoid getting out of a ticket?
I thought y'all maybe let me go.
Nah, that don't make no sense, man. You might get this from him real quick. After sure. If you'll say the truth, but
All right, man. I got some questions for you.
Covington 14.
Covington 14.
Can I get a 1060 for a signal for me, please?
Ten 1264.
sorry, Mr. Collins kind of a little busy.
10-4, thank you.
We're good. We got it.
We'll stop that video at 10 minutes and 55 seconds. We can hear at the end there where you say, we're good, we got him. Is that communicating directly with Cobb County?
I was speaking to the task force officer with the marshals that I mentioned previously.
Now, the vehicle that we see there, was that vehicle towed?
It was.
All right, now, did you personally take part in processing or searching that vehicle?
I did not.
All right, was that left to other individuals within your unit?
It was.
Now, the individual we just watched on body camera, Mr. Eugene Louis-Jacques, do you see him here in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Can you please point him out by what he's wearing or where he's seated?
He's wearing a maroon turtleneck sweater.
Let the record reflect that he has identified the defendant in this case. Give me just a moment. I don't have anything further. Thank you. You're right.
Detective Clown, that's correct, it's detective now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We've seen your body camera footage. did you have a dash camera video of all this transaction as well?
I did not.
Okay. Were you the first car behind Mr. Jacques to actually pull him over? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it looked like there were some other cars on the scene. Do you remember who those were, or what kind of cars those were?
Yes, there was a dark colored Dodge Ram pickup that was my supervisor, and then my other supervisor arrived to the scene shortly thereafter. I don't recall what he was driving at the time.
Was your supervisor, was he a uniformed officer? The other one we see in that video mostly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And with regards to the, I presume blue lights were put on to indicate the need to stop the car?
Yes, sir.
Was the siren used at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did the car immediately pull over?
It did.
And no chase, no high-speed pickup, anything of that nature? Had he actually already turned when y'all did the blue light, or was he in the process of doing that? Or
He was traveling straight when we activated our lights. He wasn't in the process of turning.
and apparently there was a turn signal violation, which was a traffic violation that y'all used to stop him, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. And did you observe anything being thrown out the windows or discarded from the car at all before y'all got to it?
No, sir.
And you're the one that we hear on the body camera video and see a gun drawn, and you're giving him orders as far as how to get out of the car and back up to y'all. Is that correct?
That is my supervisor giving him orders, but that is my footage, yes.
Gotcha, okay. And he complied with each of those commands, got out of the car and did take off and go there.
Correct.
And did you even look inside the vehicle at all, the Nissan?
I opened the door to make sure there was no other occupants inside the vehicle.
Was not, correct?
There was not. No, sir.
Right. And basically the extent of it is y'all got information, you stopped him, you arrested him, and then contacted Cobb County, they took it over from there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very briefly, can you get out of a traffic violation by giving a fake name?
No.
That's all I have.
I presume you never attempted to do that, have you?
Do what?
Give a fake name and get out of a traffic violation.
I have not.
So whether it could be done or not, you just haven't seen it happen to yourself.
I have not.
I don't have anything further.
May this witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
You are excused and released from your subpoena.
Thank you, ma'am.